Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play King Spray VR. We'll start by covering the essential controls, helping you navigate the virtual world with ease. Then, we'll dive into selecting your spray cans and colors, giving you the tools to express your creativity. Finally, we'll explore some advanced techniques to elevate your virtual graffiti art. Get ready to unleash your inner artist. To move around, simply use the left joystick on your controller for smooth locomotion and turning. The grip buttons are essential for picking up and dropping various items in your virtual studio. When you're ready to spray, the trigger buttons will activate your chosen can. You can also access the in-game menu at any time using a dedicated button on your controller, typically the menu button. King Spray VR offers a fantastic selection of over 20 different realistic spray can types, each with unique characteristics. You can easily adjust the spray cap to achieve various line thicknesses, from fine details to broad strokes. The intuitive virtual color palette allows you to mix custom colors, giving you endless possibilities. Don't forget to experiment with different paint finishes and unique artistic effects to truly make your art stand out. Once you've mastered the basics, try utilizing stencils for precise and intricate design elements, adding a professional touch to your work. Experiment with the various virtual environments and lighting conditions to see how they impact your art. Remember to save your completed artwork and share it with the vibrant King Spray VR community. Consistent practice is key to improving your virtual graffiti skills and unlocking your full artistic potential.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.